In this video, you'll learn how to create a workflow in Fluix tasks. Start by thinking of your workflow as a series of tasks your team completes regularly. Consider what steps each team should perform, which forms need to be filled out, and where the completed documents should go. Once you have the process in mind, open the Workflow section in the admin portal and click New Workflow. You can choose from ready-to-use templates or start with a blank template. In this example, we'll select Blank Template, give the workflow a name, and click Next. On the left side of the Workflow Builder, you'll see the building blocks for structuring your process. Initial step is where the process begins. Tasks to complete let you assign specific tasks to groups or individual users in the Fluix Tasks app. Optional logic let you create conditional or parallel flows. Finish actions let you define what happens with completed forms. Send by email, upload to cloud storage, or push to integrations like Salesforce or Procore. Final step marks the end of the workflow. Let's build one together. Drag the process start element onto the canvas. Decide how your workflow begins. Will it be started manually by a team member in Fluix or triggered by an external system? In this example, we'll start it in Fluix. Click the blue plus icon under Process Start and drag in a task element. Give the task a clear name, add a short description, and assign it to the right group. This makes it clear who is responsible for the step. Now add the form your team will use. Create one with the Fluix Form Builder, with optional logic to display fields based on input, or upload your own fillable PDF. You can also attach reference files like manuals or instructions. Click Save, then define the next step. Depending on your workflow, this could be another task for a different team, or even an external partner. If you need multiple actions at the same time, use a branch from optional logic. Decide what happens on the final stage. For example, use the AND branch to configure several parallel actions. You can store documents in well-organized cloud storage with the dynamic path option. It allows you to automate the creation of folders in cloud storage or other platforms with file structures. You may email documents to the default recipients like managers and set dynamic email recipients like customers, so forms automatically go to the right person based on the data entered. You may also push data into your CRM through the Share to feature. Just select your tool from the list of available integrations or choose one of the advanced sharing options, such as the Advanced HTTP Request or a webhook. Finally, add the end process event to close the workflow. As the creator, you'll be the workflow owner and can share it in view-only or editable format. Before rollout, double-check that users are assigned to the correct groups. When everything is set, click Save and Publish in the top right corner. To test it yourself, add yourself to a group and switch to user mode in your browser. Or open the Fluix app on iOS or Android. To monitor progress, visit the Activity Status section in the admin portal and view the status of tasks in real time. For more how-tos and product updates, head to fluix.io/fluix-updates.